So welcome back friends. Once again I am back with another question. So here we have to find the radius of this yellow semicircle. So let us see what is given in the question. So first of all we have a quarter circle. So this is the quarter circle and its radius is given to as 14 units. Inside it we have a semicircle which is shown in the yellow shaded region. Our aim is to find the radius of this yellow semicircle. So for that, let us do some modifications. Let us join points O to M and O to N. Now if we can see here, AB is perpendicular to OM. Why? Because AB will act as a tangent to this semicircle. Similarly, ON will also be 90 degree. Same reason, BC will be tangent to this semicircle. Also, if we assume small r to be radius of this semicircle, then this will also be radius of the semicircle. Since the internal angles are 90 degree and length equal to width, therefore this quadrilateral ONBM is a square. Now to proceed ahead, let us do another modification. Let us join O and B. So we will get a right triangle ONB. Let me draw this right triangle. So this is O, this is N and this is B and this angle is 90 degree. This is small r. Now what will be B to N? So being a square, its length will also be small r. Using Pythagorean theorem, we can get this hypotenuse OB equal to r root 2. R squared plus r squared is equal to OB whole squared. Using that theorem, we can get the value of OB. So let us write here r root 2. Now we will join B to this unknown point. Let us name it as point P. If we see triangle OBP, this is also a right angle triangle. So let me draw it for you. This point is O, this is B and this is P. This is a right angle triangle. Why? Because we see that OB divides this diameter of semicircle into two equal parts. This is equal to, let me name this as Q. So OP equal to OQ. So OB will be the median of this diameter PQ, and hence through symmetry we can see that this angle will be 90 degree. So in short, triangle OBP will be 90 degree. Now in this triangle OP is equal to small r. So let me write it as small r. What will be BP? So BP is the radius of this quarter circle. So the quarter circle has a center at point B. This is point C. This is point A. Now point P lies on the circumference of this quarter circle. Therefore, this is also the radius of this quarter circle. So radius of quarter circle is 14. So PB will also be equal to 14 units. So here let us write 14. And what is OB? OB we found that it is r root 2. So let me erase this. Now let us apply Pythagorean theorem in this triangle OPB. So here hypotenuse is 14. So 14 squared is equal to r squared plus r root 2 whole squared. So 14 squared is 196 equals r squared plus 2r squared. In short, 3r squared is equal to 196. So r squared is 196 upon 3. So from here r will be whole root of 196 upon 3. On simplifying this, we will get this is root 3 in the denominator, and square root of 196 is 14. We can rationalize it. So multiply and divide by root 3. So the radius will be 14 root 3 upon 3. So the radius of this semicircle is 14 root 3 upon 3 units. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, hit like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.